Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I started my bike ride early morning at 5 a.m. from Bangalore toward Panchmukhi Anjani Hanuman Mandir near Kunigal. This temple is around 65 km from my place and we reach after 2 hours. This temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman in his Panchmukhi form and the five face avatar which represent protection, strength and victory. Here we can see the massive statue of Panchmukhi Hanumanji and the height is 161 feet and the temple timing is 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So guys, now I just enter inside the temple complex and here you will find many small temples of different gods. People usually visit each one slowly, take blessing and then move toward.
हिंदी कन्नड़
Hindi.
भगवान को पहला पूजा आइल चढ़ा दो आपके आसपास अवकाश ಇದೆ ನೀವೇನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಾಸು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಬು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಶುಭ ಫಲ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೂಜೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ We reached the main spot of this temple, Panchmukhi Hanumanji Temple.
I hope you got some positive energy through this video. If you enjoyed temple tour and the information, please like, comment, subscribe to Tech Travel with Mac for more travel and unique destination video. See you in next journey.